Ever wondered what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar, or why a piece of iron rusts over time? Welcome to the fascinating world of chemical reactions. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is a chemical reaction? Well, it's a process where different substances interact, leading to the formation of completely new substances. These reactions aren't just confined to your school's science lab. Oh no, they're happening all around us and even inside us. That fizz when you open a soda can? That's a chemical reaction. The process of your food being digested in your body? Yet another chemical reaction. They're not just prevalent, they're essential to life as we know it. So whether you're an aspiring
जीवन में समस्याओं का सामना इसलिए करना पड़ता है ताकि हम उनसे लड़कर और भी मजबूती के साथ निखर कर आगे आएं।
scientist or just someone curious about the world around you, understanding chemical reactions can open up a whole new way of seeing and interpreting the world. Ready to dive deeper into the intricacies of chemical reactions? Stay tuned. Now, not all chemical reactions are created equal. They can be as diverse as the world we live in. Let's explore the main types. Firstly, we have combination reactions, where two or more substances combine to form a single product. Picture this. You're at a party and you mix orange juice and soda. You've just created a new single beverage. That's a combination reaction in a nutshell. Next up is the decomposition reaction, which is the exact opposite of combination reactions. These reactions involve a single compound breaking down into two or more simpler substances. Ever notice how a fallen tree in the forest eventually decomposes and becomes part of the soil? That's nature's way of executing a decomposition reaction. Moving on, we have displacement reactions. These are the drama queens of the chemical world. In a displacement reaction, an element in a compound gets jealous and is replaced by another element. Think of it like a dance, where a dancer is replaced by another dancer. It's the same in the chemical world. For instance, when iron is exposed to moisture, it gets displaced by oxygen, leading to the formation of rust. Finally, let's talk about double displacement reactions. These reactions involve an exchange of ions between two compounds to form new compounds. It's like a couple swap at a party. An everyday example of this is when you mix vinegar and baking soda. The acetic acid in vinegar and the sodium bicarbonate in baking soda swap partners to form carbon dioxide, water, and sodium acetate. Each of these reactions has its unique characteristics and applications, shaping the world around us in ways we often take for granted. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, chemical reactions are continually happening all around us. So, next time you see a metal rust or mix vinegar and baking soda, remember you are witnessing a chemical reaction in action. Chemical reactions are great, but how do we represent them on paper? Enter chemical equations. Now think of a chemical equation as a recipe. Just as a recipe requires a certain amount of ingredients to make it dish, a chemical equation represents the exact amount of reactants that combine to form a certain amount of product. Let's take a simple reaction, the formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen. In this reaction, two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecules of water. We write this as 2H2 plus O2 equals sign 2H2O. This equation is balanced because the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides. Why is balancing equations important, you ask? Well, it's all about conservation of mass. In chemical reactions, matter is neither created nor destroyed, so the total mass of reactants must equal the total mass of products. Balancing chemical equations might seem like a puzzle at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. So, that's a wrap on our brief journey through the world of chemical reactions and equations. We've delved into the heart of chemistry, from understanding what a chemical reaction is, to unraveling the mystery of chemical equations. We've explored the diverse types of chemical reactions, from combination reactions and exothermic reactions to decomposition reactions and beyond. We've also mastered the art of balancing chemical equations, a skill that's more than just a classroom exercise. It's a key to understanding the world around us. We've seen how chemical reactions are not just confined to laboratories, but are integral parts of our daily lives, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. This understanding can help us appreciate the marvels of chemistry and its profound impact on our existence. Want to learn more about this fascinating topic? Contact Anil Sir at the Students' Care Center at 9999060986. Thanks for watching, and remember, chemistry is all around us.